Top 10 reason number 6, everything else is a scary investment. By any realistic measure, stocks have been in a super bubble for more than a decade now, with valuations and yields in the danger zone, while bonds are in the later stages of a 30-year bull market and real estate is still deflating from the biggest bubble in history. Dr. Robert Shiller of Yale University has compiled data on the stock market going all the way back to the year 1880. His research concludes that by one measure, the stock market has been in a bubble since 1998, and by his other measure, it is far bigger and more extreme than any prior bubble, including the stock market bubble of the Roaring Twenties that led to the crash of 1929. Further research shows that the only reason the markets have been levitated to these levels is due to the Federal Reserve stimulus. What will happen when increasing stimulus no longer works? I wouldn't want to be invested in stocks when it finally implodes. U.S. Treasury bonds have been a great investment for more than 30 years, but no bull market lasts forever. In fact, for the 37 years after World War II, bonds were such a bad investment that by the end of the 1970s they had earned the nickname certificates of confiscation. But that was back when countries were financially responsible. Now most countries on the planet run their finances like Greece, and the United States of America is leading the way. And as the world's central banks keep interest rates low, it's caused bond investors to take extraordinary risk in search of a reasonable return. We are now in a global bond bubble that dwarfs anything in history. I believe that this has made the bond market one of the most dangerous places to be invested in right now. Dr. Shiller is also the creator of the Case-Shiller Home Price Index. His data on real estate suggests that since the popping of the bubble in 2007, real estate values have bounced back into a small bubble. But what worries Dr. Shiller most is that institutional investment firms have bought up as much as 30% of the homes that were foreclosed on since the crash of 2008. This has the potential of making real estate as volatile as the stock market. If these firms ever decide to sell, they can dump thousands of homes on the market all at once, causing the 2008 real estate crash to look like the calm before the storm. Personally, the thought of investing in real estate right now is downright scary. So the stock market, bonds, and real estate are either in a bubble or have been in a bubble in the last decade. Gold and silver, however, haven't been in a bubble for more than 30 years, and from my measure still appear to be less than halfway through their bull market. The next great bubble will someday be gold and silver. It's just their turn. This is just one of the reasons why I buy gold and silver. Now I'd like to show you how to buy gold and silver. Before you buy an ounce of gold or silver for yourself, I want to send you a free copy of my book, Guide to Investing in Gold and Silver. It tells you everything you need to know about owning gold and silver, including where to store it, the pitfalls to avoid, how this industry works, and which bullion products I buy for myself. I'm proud to say it's the best-selling book on precious metals investing of all time. I've just released a fully updated version, and it's yours absolutely free. All you have to do to get it is follow the link below and tell me where to send it. Enjoy the book, please share this video, and thanks for watching.